part 2 of our Amazon smallest pallet we got from You Pick a Pallet in Mount Vernon, Illinois. So we're just going to jump right in. Like we said, this pallet costs $650. There's probably like 2,000 or 3,000 items in it, and we're going to dig right into part 2. Make sure and check out part 1 if you missed it, or break down a little bit more. This is just the second part of it because there's just so many items in it.
4 glass coffee mugs, all in perfect condition.
A build-a-garden little toy that you can build plants with and everything. We have a salad bowl, a bunch of salad bowl like set with lids. Looks brand new. The box is a little beat up. Oh, there's like a whisk in here too and everything. So
it doesn't come with it.
Oh, it doesn't? Oh, well, a whisk I guess just got put in here. So there's that little salad bowl set. This is really good on Marketplace, stuff like that. These are really good. We have a salad spinner, like a salad dryer. Put your lettuce in here and spin it, and it dries your lettuce quicker. Brand new as well, the plastic.
These are mini appliances that
like little toys.
Like little toys. So there's a little blender. There's a microwave.
I thought it was like one big.
I thought it was too. No, they definitely, and it comes with a little screwdriver. What is this? A washing machine. Yeah, washing machine. And then
did it actually do anything?
A vacuum.
It's like stationary.
It says many household appliances 3+.
It shows it does stuff.
Yes. Battery operated washing machine.
It's little toys. I have 4 sets of these Mayfair linens, like sheet sets. I think they're all queen. So really nice size. That one's queen. That one's queen. That one is a queen, and that one is a queen. So 4 sets of white queen sheets, brand new.
And this is the same thing, the 4-piece appliances. Might be different appliances or something, but.
Yeah. So we have a lunchbox, a brand new lunchbox. This is really nice. I really like the black. I think there's 2 of them in here. Or they just one big one? I think it's just one big one. So one really big lunchbox. This is the same thing?
Yeah, this is the same thing. I'm not sure.
So this is the same thing or whatever she is opening. We have quite a bit more. We have 5 more sets of these bath bombs.
What is this? Maybe like an outdoor.
5 more sets of these bath bombs. We've been selling on the Marketplace for like $5 a piece. So there's 5 more sets of those. Brand new, the bath bomb still.
There's something over here. Oh, it's
more masks. A whole box of them, 60 of them in there.
It's a little bird bath.
No.
With a colorful tray.
That's cool. For 2 bird baths, so that's probably $3 a piece on Marketplace. Maybe more than that. So we have there. So we have 2 of these, like brand new water bottles, silver wrapping on them. It's the ones that have like it's all the water you need for a day, and there's like time marks on each one. So 2 of those. We have a original chalkboard milestone blocks. It's the blocks where you can write like how many months or inches or whatever for your kids and everything. And it's a whole set, brand new.
Okay, this ain't working.
Here you go. I'll move to the middle. There you go. We have 3 of these.
A retainer cleaning tablets for your retainers.
So these are spice rack extenders, like you put on a wall or a cabinet, and just extend your spice tray. 3 of them brand new, they're gray.
A shot glass holder.
I want to say this is probably a blanket. Let me see this, a blanket. 135 by 300. It's like
yeah,
centimeters probably. Yep. So it's a brand new blanket, quilt looking thing. A shower head kit with the nozzle and the hose and everything else with it.
Oh, replacement filters for refrigerator.
More mask.
There's 2 of them in here.
I don't know if these sell on eBay or not. Because I'm going to get flagged. These are the generic ones.
A garage door opener. Some zip ties. Some of the, we got these in the last one. So to protect your lip gloss from your face mask.
Some kind of like painting kit, like a paint by numbers kit.
A hypoallergenic filter system for your vacuum. Rick Spain, to talk about Spain. I'm assuming everything maybe to do in Spain.
Tourist boat. I think it's a yoga ball. Like a Pilates ball. Or exercise ball or something.
What is it?
Yeah, so the little Pilates exercise ball. You blow up.
It says vintage cosplay gift birthday. Not.
It's that marble. I can see marble.
What is that?
Naruto.
Naruto.
So glass protection for your phone. A little DC superheroes action figure. Some like a bunch of little like jewelry, like sauce trays, whatever you're gonna use it for, little like bowl plates. Not broken, finally.
I know that we've not found anything broken yet.
A writing tablet, a kid's writing tablet that they can write on, and then just push the button and it erases. We saw those before.
A Miami Marlins. Mariners.
Seattle.
Man, I butchered that.
Good.
Seattle Mariners. Garden flag, mask.
Another one of these ginormous water gallons.
One of the
cup holder things.
lights you, like the little wishing lights that you light and send up in a
floating avocado pool float.
I'm really struggling with words today. Cricket mats. There's, I believe, a 3-pack in here. I think, yeah, 3-pack.
We have a Blue's Clues pillow cover. Avocado pool float.
One of those like waist trainer.
Disposable piping bags. Oh, they're like tape decorating bags. You put your icing in there and you squeeze it and you shove it out of there. You need to know my kitchen stuff. Another Black Panther mask.
Phone case.
Virgin Mary necklace. Another phone stand.
Glass screen protector.
Another Naruto like toy kit thing.
A whole ball thing of ping pong balls.
2021 calendar.
Greenery. More of the cake decorating bags.
A trophy.
Glass screen protector.
Award trophy. You can give it to the best husband of the year.
Yeah. More of the retainer cleaners.
Masks, some adult things.
Shower caddy.
Headband. Chicago Bears mask.
A bunch of Halloween balloons.
Some Mercedes-Benz, like, little covers or something.
Easton has one of these. It's
Probably
a little elephant and it sings.
Another little pair of
Plays like
fire
peekaboo
tools.
and stuff.
Global Issues textbook. Some more eyeliner and makeup. Another screen protector. Walking Dead 2021 calendar. Another phone stand.
Sorry.
The ketone test strips we've had in the last video. Another phone
Powerful
case.
sink drainer.
Garden furniture cover. Shower caddy. Is it shower caddy?
Mouse pad.
Over shower door shower caddy. Another spice rack. Transmission shift cable. Another like test practice California kit.
These look like some sort of bandanas.
Another pair of like plier things and another phone case.
These have like multiple wears. Actually on the front here it shows like 12 different ways you can wear these. So a whole 8-pack of whatever you want to call that stuff. And this is the last tub that we have for this video.
All this is good flea market stuff. So
Dog brush gloves, grooming.
we have a Like some kind of pillowcase. I don't know what it is. Some kind of pillowcase design.
Oh, that's cool. This is a whole cleaning kit, like for your kitchen, for cast iron skillets.
OEM quality wiper blades. What is this? It's like a photo.
Like a poster type.
Oh, photo booth. Photo booth like frames for like baby shower or wedding or something with stickers and stuff.
Golf keys. A pair of socks that says "Do not disturb. I'm gaming." It's a little PlayStation.
Little holder for PVC pipe. For having a PVC pipe.
Little organization bin.
Another little music set for kids, for babies. There's like 10 pieces in there with different music instruments.
4 Apple Watch bands.
Phone case.
This is like almost like the smell good thing, so you can put them in your shoes, cars, closets. It says bamboo charcoal air.
This is a tactical dog vest and harness. It has a black tactical dog vest in it, a frisbee, and a really nice leash in it.
Some more of those wishing lanterns. Another one of the cleaning
Panic Room DVD.
Phone case.
Another little fishing box or tackle box for crafts.
Some sort of learning kit for kids.
Some vines for florists or something.
Another really odd looking phone case.
This is some kind of plush.
A Mickey Mouse.
Oh, it's a bird.
Plush.
A bird plush. Pet dog brush gloves. So they're just put this on it and you brush your dog with them.
Alright.
Another Pokemon
AirPod
birthday
holders.
kit. Pack of 2 neck protectors.
Looks like something for you. I don't know. Eyebrow pin.
Oh, this is just spoon line for trimmers.
A Christmas dog collar. iPad case.
A casual throw blanket of some kind of design of some lady on it.
Some sort of kid's phone learning system. Another phone case.
This, I don't know. Some kind of probably organizer over the door. One of these retainer brights.
Phone case.
Travel packing cubes, so different cubes for travel or pack. Another 2021 calendar.
Brass knuckles silicone mold.
We have a the sifter thing.
There's a little thank you card in it.
Book. Some kind of it's an oven mitt. An oven mitt. Another Grinch.
Some little part. More cake bag. Garden furniture cover.
Oh, nice. A little brand. Nice. It's a Chinese brand of lens, camera lens.
A 3XL compression shirt, long sleeve.
Another calendar. There's some better stuff in this one.
Sorry.
There's some good eBay stuff.
A little Trolls plush.
5 sim covers. Another pet dog gloves.
Another foldable phone stand.
Another necklace for women.
Masks.
Phone case.
Cap gun. Phone case.
Watch band.
More of the pet gloves. Phone case.
Ketone test strips again.
I would say this is probably another phone case. Yep, phone case.
Transition shift cable.
More masks. A little pop socket thing for kids.
Garden furniture cover.
I don't know what this is.
Oh, like BMW, I think they're for wheels.
It's one of those flags. We got one in our previous video. Josh opened it.
Yep. Sorry, black on all.
Oh, here's a Mickey phone case. Another phone case.
More masks with a beard on it.
Some glitter. Phone case.
Another phone holder.
Pop socket thing.
A Corvette keychain.
A 12-pack of beach balls.
Adventure Time stickers.
Watch band. AirPod case.
Another blanket of those ladies. I don't know
Some sort
who
of power
it is,
cord.
but another branded blanket.
I'm not sure what this is.
Knee sleeves.
A bicycle helmet mirror.
More wash bands. Lanyards. Another phone case.
A Canon battery charger.
What's this? Oh, we got a welcome mat.
Nails. Oh, I was needing some of these. The protective cases for your watch band.
Perfect.
And a Stitch phone case. It says something funny welcome mat.
Yeah, it's not a doormat.
So
I don't know what.
I'm kind of interested to see what it says.
Make sure it doesn't say anything. Oh, it's actually cute. It says doorbell broken, yell ding dong really loud. A little welcome mat.
That's cute.
So that is it for part 2. As you know, there's just a ton of stuff in these pallets.
I'd say we're probably halfway through the Gaylord, maybe.
Yeah, halfway. We probably have still have
Yeah.
2 or 3 more videos at least of this Amazon smallest pallet that we got. I mean, there's some eBay stuff here, a lot of like flea market stuff for us.
Our yard
we'll
sale.
keep our yard sales and flea market inventory packed for months and months, probably for the rest of the year, honestly. Really good quarter things and dollar boxes, and that's things that we need. So make sure to check them out. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. You guys make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps us out. We're a growing channel, and we really use your help. So please make sure to like and subscribe, and we really appreciate it. We'll see you next time.
Bye.